This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Maryland, Carroll and Frederick, and the following counties, in Virginia, Albemarle, Greene, Loudoun, Madison, Nelson, Northern Fauquier and Rappahannock. High wind warning in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland, Washington has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to midnight tonight. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Timing: strongest winds will be late this afternoon through this evening. Winds southwest late this afternoon 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, becoming west this evening. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.